Hello, my name is Deanna Snyder, and I've been volunteering for IRIS since July of 13 when I retired. So, Jim puts me in a variety of places. I read the Des Moines Register on some mornings and sometimes first shift, sometimes second shift. And I have just enjoyed doing that. I love to read the paper. I love to sit there and hold the paper in my hand. I dread the day when we do not have a paper Des Moines Register. So I am pleased to be able to read from that register for folks who are unable to do that. My husband is a faithful reader of the Des Moines Register from front to back, word for word. I'm not quite that fanatic about it, but anyway, it is a passion of mine. So I'm glad to be able to share that with other people. And then I read, both recorded but also live, the grocery ads. And that's kind of an interesting challenge for me. I am aware of how many adjectives there are to describe meat cuts in the in the meat sections of these grocery ads. And people have mentioned how that is my favorite part of the grocery ads. So, but anyway, those two things are what I do for Iris. And I brag about Iris with people. They'll say, I don't know, what in the world is that? And so I'm glad to be able to share with them what this incredible program is. The lovely people that are on the receiving end out there are so gracious and will call in and thank us for our gift of reading. And I can't tell you what pleasure that brings to me. So I'm glad to represent Iris, and I wave its flag every place I go.